Good morning everyone. Let's see full-fledged question of cash flow statement. Here you can see the statement. This is in the form of balance sheet. This is balance sheet, notes to account, and additional information is given, and you have to prepare cash flow statement. So first of all, what is the way to do complete question of cash flow? You have to read the additional information. What is given in the additional information? A piece of machinery of the book value 60,000 was sold for 40,000 at the beginning of the year, and the depreciation provided on the machinery is 1,30,000. So according to this statement, you have to prepare in working note machinery account. Clear? Then you will do notes to account, and at last we will do question according to the balance sheet. So first of all, in working note we have to calculate net profit before tax and machinery account. For net profit before tax, we are having only profit and loss balance. No journal reserve, no dividend, no tax, nothing is given. So simple profit and loss is simple, net profit before tax and machinery account. Let's see. Now see, this is simple profit and loss. No need to make working note because there is no general reserve, no dividend, no tax. So simple net profit before tax is 1,50,000. Clear? Then next is see, we have to make machinery account. Now see, in machinery account, what is the way of machinery account? First of all, we will write to balance brought down, then buy balance carried down, opening balance and closing balance of machinery. After that, we have to record the sale, loss. Now see, what is the book value of machinery? Book value of machinery is 60,000, means cost minus depreciation is equal to book value. Book value of machinery is 60,000, sold for 45,000. So our sale is 45,000 and our loss is 60 minus 45, that is 15,000. So we will show over here sale 45,000, loss 15,000. Now what is depreciation? Depreciation is also given in the question, that is 1,30,000. So we will write depreciation 1,30,000. All the information is given. We are having now sale, profit and loss and depreciation. So we will calculate balancing figure as purchase to bank account 4,90,000 purchase. Clear? This is machinery account. Now see, how will we record the information of machinery account in cash flow? Where we record purchase? Purchase we will record in the investing activities. We will write over here purchase of machinery 4,90,000. Then sale also, sale of machinery 45,000. Then loss we will add in the operating activity. See, loss on sale of machinery 15,000, and depreciation also we will add in the operating activities. Depreciation on machinery is 1,30,000. Clear? First you will record the information of this account. We have recorded. Then you will do rest of the question. See, share capital, this is 2018-2019. So share capital is increasing 4 to 5 lakh, means 1 lakh increase in share capital we will record in the financing activities. See, proceed from share capital 1 lakh on plus side, because shares are increasing, we are arranging finance more by way of issuing shares. Then next is reserve and surplus. Note number 1 we have already done here. Now long term borrowings 170 to 2 lakh, means we are arranging loan 30,000. So we will add 30,000, proceed from long term borrowings. Then next is fixed asset, tangible asset, machinery we have done in working note. We have made machinery account and all the things are settled down over there. Then next is non-current investment. This is also an investment. This is same 1,80,000, so no need to record. Now inventory, see 70 to 50,000, means decrease in stock. Decrease in stock means decrease in current asset, it will be on plus side. See, decrease in stock 20,000 on plus side. Then trade receivable, these are decreasing, again asset are decreasing, 5,000 on plus side. See, 5,000 on plus side. Then the next is cash and cash equivalent. We don't record cash and cash equivalent under working capital changes. Question is complete. Now you will do total. First do total of operating activities, then investing activities, and then financing activity. Now what is the last step? After doing all the operating, investing and financing activities, you have to make the total of all the three heads. See, 3,20,000 minus 445 plus 1,30,000. Total of these three is 5,000. Now what is the role of cash and cash equivalent at the end? You have to take the opening balance of cash and cash equivalent 25,000. Clear? Opening balance is 25, closing balance of cash and cash equivalent is 30,000. So in the total of all these activities, you will add the opening balance of cash and cash equivalent 25,000, and when you add opening balance in the total of these activities, then the answer would be closing balance of cash and cash equivalent. If it is equal to closing balance of cash and cash equivalent, then your question is correct, otherwise there is some mistake. Clear? I am repeating, you have to do the total of these three activities, and in the total you have to add the opening balance of cash and cash equivalent. When you add these two, you will get the closing balance of cash and cash equivalent. Means your answer should be equal to closing balance of cash and cash equivalent. If the balance is not equal to closing balance, then there is some mistake in your question. Clear? This is the way to do full-fledged question of cash flow statement. Clear?